Hey guys, what is up? Just getting back from my lunch. Today is November 30th, 2023, and it's been a few since I've done a last trade review. This week, I have been specifically focusing on reversals. And reason being is I'm trying to refine my day, trying to gain more time out of my day. And when I first started trading, reversals was something that I started with and resonated well with me. You tend to capture a quick move, tight stop, and hits target rather quickly. So this week I focus on reversals only. I do trade pinpoints and breakout style trades, but only took reversals. And today I had a few on my watch list. Nothing really materialized on my main watch list that I look for in regards to price action. And typically what I'm looking for is this line here, which is ATR measurement. So I'll measure ATR, 14-day ATR to a specific level utilizing the 60-minute chart. And then I will use the daily just to kind of see, is it bullish? Is it bearish? It kind of gives me a long-term sentiment, but I will also take it. If it's bearish, I still will take a long if it has a nice bounce off a strong level with volume. And today I had a few trades. Today I'm green. The first trade I took was Lee, and this was off a larger time frame. And let's see, where are we? Right here. So you can see I had this level eyed up here. It was this zone or this area was an area of interest. So I was looking for a long and to capture the move on a 5-minute. So I was looking to target is typically 5-minute, like 9 on the 5, and I knew that the stop was a little bit wider, so I still consider these even on a 50-minute, which is one that I took later. If the stop is wider, I will add into the trade and then partial up on the way out. And this one did make it to almost 3R. And this was just a quick trade. Looking again in hindsight, I was looking, it was hovering around this $37 level, and I thought to myself, okay, I added into this position, and we're around this whole number. If it loses this number, and I can see bids building to the downside, I'm going to bail and kind of see how it reacts. If I didn't like it, maybe I could re-enter, but normally once the trade fails and it kind of resets like this, I won't look at taking it again. It's almost like a chase. And so at this point here, in my eyes anyway, the trade idea has failed. But nonetheless, I still ended up green. I did attempt another long on Google, which failed. But I bailed on this before the breakdown. Overall, daily is bullish. And there was a strong level on the daily. It was a few months back, I believe. Yes, it was this area or this zone here, 130 to 150. And I took it long for target again, 9 on the 5, but it just you could see they were just too weak, and again bids building to the downside on the book, and I bailed on. The last trade that I took for the day was GME, and this is on a 15-minute reversal. So I found a level on the daily, or not a specific level, but what it was, it lined up with S4, and I do utilize these to some degree. I'll use cams on some of the larger time frames. But you can see it was extended on the 15-minute, and it formed a hammer on the 15-minute. And what I do is I wait for the next high, and I'll go long. Now, the stop on these can be a little bit wider, depending if you're using the bottom of this body close or open or the wick. And in this case, I'll use the wick. And what I'll do is I'll add into the position to make up for the wide stop once I get a little bit more confirmation on the direction. And yeah, that was it for the day. Prior to this, I was red, hovering around break even red. And like I was saying, focusing on reversals this week, just trying to refine my strategy a little bit more, just to more effectively utilize my time during the day so I'm not in front of the screens for the majority of the day. And working with a performance coach, we were talking today about having a winning mindset, and it's very, very difficult, especially with trading, because this is probabilistic when you are in a drawdown or you're having multiple losing trades, because it's super easy to get into a negative mindset, or looking for excuses, looking to make changes, refinements, looking for more information, more data, just to prevent yourself from being wrong. And that's what I would do in the past. But I think that uh, once you've grown as a trader, when you can have a drawdown, you can have multiple consecutive red days. It's maintaining that positive mindset and sticking to the plan and not making changes, looking for excuses or looking for different strategies, as they call it, strategy hopping. And that's it for the day. So I'll focus on my journaling, possible small refinements, any kind of replay. If I do, for the most part, I do that on the weekend. And mentorship, I still have a few spots open. If anybody's interested, please just send me a DM and or a quick email, and I'd be happy to get back. But I hope that everybody had a great trading day, and I will see you soon. Peace.